Hello students, welcome to your English grammar class. Today I'll be doing another kind of letter, that is letter of inquiry, and as you know, this is also one of the letter that come under letters for various situations. Now let us see what letter of inquiry is. Now letter of inquiry refers those letters which are written to to get information about certain things, that is to inquire about certain things which you want to know, right? Letter of inquiry can be written to tours and travels, it can be written to any book agency, it can be written to any place from wherever you want to get any sort of information. These can be written in order to get some information about a particular course, or you can write it to know the price of certain things, right? Now let us see a specimen of letter to inquiry, and hope the specimen would help you to have a clear idea of how to write a letter of inquiry. Now I'll not go into the details of writing the address and the format, because these things have already been discussed with you. Now we'll go straight away to how to write the letter, about how to write the letter. Now the question is, you are Prantika, the secretary of ABC school. You want to take 40 students of your school on a trip from Bombay to Delhi by a bus. Write a letter to Global Travels Bombay inquiring about their terms and condition for package tour. Sorry, it would be Global Travels and Tours and Travels. So it's intended that this agency does not only arrange for traveling, it also arrange for tours, that is lodging and boarding is also available with them. Bombay inquiring about their terms and conditions for package tours. Now here, address of the sender, ABC School Bombay, date, leave one line and then give the date again, leave a line and give the date, give the address, or write the address of the recipient, the manager, Global Travels Bombay. Sir, inquiring about package tour to Delhi. I intend to take a group of 40 students on a trip to Delhi. The trip will be of about 20 days in March. See, the date here is 10th October and the tour is intended to be in the month of March, right? We plan to see Ahmedabad, Baroda and Jaipur en route to Delhi. So while going to Delhi, they want to see Ahmedabad, Baroda and Jaipur. We also intend to visit Agra and Mathura during our return. Right, so return journey, during the return journey also the sender of the letter, he wants to take the students to Mathura and Agra. Please inform us if 20 days will be sufficient. We would also like to know the other details, which are as follow. Package cost only for travel. Package cost inclusive of lodging and boarding, that is, you want to know the separate cost for travel, you want to know the package cost inclusive of everything, that is boarding, lodging and traveling, all inclusive. Kind of accommodation that would be provided, what kind of accommodation you want. Separate provision for vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals, that whether they can provide separate provision for vegetarian and non-vegetarian meals or not. Then we expect a discount. Now here you are talking about discount. We expect a discount for a large group. We expect a discount for a large group and for students. Please let us know at the earliest so that we can also arrange for the needful. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Prantika. Right? So in this letter we have seen that we can write it in two ways. First is you write about these information, you want to know about these information, you can write about these things in points. You can also write the whole thing in sentences, as is convenient to you. Then you can talk, you need to talk about the discount that is provided, and at the end you want to know all these things as soon as possible, so that you can arrange accordingly, right? So this is the format for writing an inquiry letter. You can have inquiry letter, as I have told you, inquiring about a particular course, inquiring about yoga camp, or inquiring about say the cost of certain things. These can be the various kinds of letter of inquiry. Hope you understood how to write a letter of inquiry and the video had been useful to you. Thank you for attending the session. Goodbye.